Boost your productivity with the NFG-1002 Crawler Tractors. Designed for diverse farming needs, this machine moves through your fields with ease, maximizing efficiency every step of the way. With 100 horsepower of solid performance, it's perfect for paddy bug spraying or fertilizer applications. It can easily move in wet conditions to till land and get your work done quicker. NFG-1002 can be equipped with a rotavator, hydraulic leveler, and a front dozer blade. Everything you need to work smarter. Save time and money. It's now available at Yellow Steel Inc.